You're pouring your heart and soul into your YouTube channel, crafting what you think are killer videos. You're hitting the edit button, feeling good, but the views just aren't there. What gives? The truth is, the YouTube game has changed. It's not enough to just be authentic or tell a good story anymore. The algorithm craves something more, something that most creators are missing. The secret? It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. While you're stuck staring at a blank page, other creators are unlocking a hidden weapon, AI. And no, I'm not talking about those robotic voiceovers or soulless AI-generated faces. I'm talking about using AI to craft YouTube scripts that practically guarantee viewers will click, watch, and engage. Imagine this. You could ditch the guesswork, the endless drafts, the frustration of wondering what your audience wants. What if you could tap into the very formula for viral content? AI makes it possible. This isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. By using AI strategically, you can deconstruct viral hooks, stop guessing what works, and unlock the patterns behind the most successful YouTube hooks in your niche. Engineer retention. Learn how to seamlessly weave in elements that keep viewers glued to the screen, boosting your watch time and pleasing the algorithm. Scale your content creation. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to producing high-quality scripts faster than ever before. This is the future of YouTube, and the creators who embrace it will be the ones who thrive. Let's face it, creating content for YouTube is a numbers game, and those numbers can be brutal. You pour hours, days even, into filming, editing, and promoting your videos, only to see them languish with a measly few hundred views. You're not alone. The vast majority of YouTube scripts fail before they even make it to the screen. Think about it. For every video that goes viral, there are thousands, tens of thousands even, that get lost in the endless scroll. It's enough to make any creator question their sanity, their talent, their entire existence. You might be thinking, but my content is good. I put in the effort, I film in HD, my editing is tight. And you might be right. You might be creating genuinely valuable, entertaining, or informative content. But here's the harsh truth. Good content isn't enough anymore. In the crowded landscape of YouTube, your video is competing with millions of others for attention. And the algorithm, that mysterious gatekeeper of success, doesn't care about your good intentions or even the quality of your content if it doesn't think anyone will watch it. Section 3, the missing ingredient: script psychology. So what's the missing ingredient? What's the secret sauce that separates the viral hits from the flops? It's not just about having a catchy title or a flashy thumbnail, although those help. The real key lies in understanding script psychology. Every word, every sentence, every pause in your script is a chance to grab the viewer's attention, keep them hooked, and compel them to take action. It's about strategically placing hooks, crafting compelling narratives, and understanding the subtle art of persuasion. Section 4, AI, your secret weapon for scriptwriting success. This is where AI comes in. And no, I'm not talking about replacing your creativity or turning you into a robot. I'm talking about leveraging the power of AI to elevate your scriptwriting to a whole new level. AI can analyze millions of data points, identifying the patterns and trends that make videos go viral. It can help you craft hooks that are scientifically proven to grab attention, structure your content for maximum retention, and even predict what your audience wants to see before they even know it themselves. It's like having a team of expert scriptwriters at your fingertips, working tirelessly to ensure your videos reach their full potential. Section 1. Decoding virality: how AI cracks the code. Most people think AI scriptwriting is about typing "write me a YouTube script" and calling it a day. Big mistake. That's like asking a world-class chef to make you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Sure, they can do it, but you're wasting their talent. The real magic happens when you use AI to reverse engineer what's already working. Instead of asking it to invent something new, feed it the good stuff. The viral hooks, the engaging narratives, the pacing of videos in your niche that are crushing it. AI can analyze these elements, identify the patterns and formulas, and then apply them to your scripts. Here's the biggest mistake people make with AI. They treat it like a magic genie instead of a powerful tool. You wouldn't just tell a contractor, build me a house, you'd give them blueprints, right? The same principle applies to AI. The more specific your prompts, the better the output. Instead of generic requests, give AI clear instructions. Want a hook that grabs attention? Feed it 3 to 5 viral hooks from your niche and ask it to identify the pattern. Need to structure your script for maximum retention? Tell AI to include mini hooks, calls to action, and visual cues at specific intervals. Don't be afraid to get granular. The more specific you are, the more AI can deliver. Let's be real. The first draft AI spits out is rarely perfect. Think of it as a lump of clay. It has potential, but it needs molding, refining, and your unique touch to become a masterpiece. Here's where your creativity comes in. AI can handle the heavy lifting of structure and data analysis, but it's up to you to inject personality, humor, and those little nuances that make your content uniquely yours. Don't be afraid to cut ruthlessly, rewrite sections in your own voice, and experiment with different hooks until you find one that feels irresistible. Remember script psychology? AI can be your secret weapon for mastering it. There are subtle techniques that, when woven into your script, can dramatically increase viewer retention and engagement. Want to keep viewers on the edge of their seats? Have AI sprinkle in cliffhangers and open loops? Need to boost comments and interaction? Instruct AI to incorporate calls to action, like asking viewers to share their thoughts or answer a specific question. By strategically placing these viewer traps throughout your script, you can transform passive viewers into active participants, signaling to the algorithm that your content is pure gold. The AI script writing toolbox, choosing the right weapon. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's talk tools. Thankfully, the days of needing a computer science degree to dabble in AI are long gone. There's a whole arsenal of AI script writing tools out there, each with its own strengths. For beginners, ChatGPT is your new best friend. It's free, user-friendly, and surprisingly powerful with the right prompts. More on those later. Want something more specialized for YouTube? Check out tools like Jasper or Writer. These platforms are packed with templates and features specifically designed for crafting engaging video scripts. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the tool that feels most intuitive for you. Step 1. Extracting the viral formula feeding AI, what works. Remember how we talked about reverse engineering virality? This is where the magic starts. The key is to feed AI successful examples from your niche and let it do the heavy lifting of analysis. First, identify 3 to 5 videos in your niche that are absolutely crushing it. We're talking millions of views, tons of comments, the whole shebang. Next, copy and paste the hooks from those videos into your chosen AI tool. Don't just grab the title, get the first 30 to 60 seconds of the script where the hook really sinks its teeth in. Step 2, script surgery, structuring for maximum impact. Now that AI has a taste of what works, it's time to inject that viral formula into your script. This is where most people drop the ball. They ask AI to write a script about topic, get a wall of text, and call it a day. Don't be that person. We need to guide AI, telling it exactly how to structure the script for maximum impact. Here's a killer prompt. Write a length YouTube script about topic every 30 seconds. Include a mini hook, question, tease, shocking fact, a direct call to comment, for example, comment yes if you've done this, and a visual cue, for example, watch this, look here. Section 4. Step 3. The viewer trap, AI-powered tactics for unstoppable engagement. We're talking about those sneaky little techniques that turn passive viewers into engaged fans. The beauty is, AI can sprinkle these throughout your script automatically. Remember, attention spans are short. You need to constantly give viewers a reason to stick around. Here are some prompts to add to your AI instructions. Every 60 seconds, include a pattern interrupt. This could be a sudden change in music, a jump cut to a different scene, or a surprising question that breaks the flow. Before revealing key information, instruct viewers to like this video if they want to find out. At the end of each section, include a cliffhanger that makes viewers want to watch the next part. Section 5, Step 4, from robot to rockstar, polishing your AI-generated script. Congratulations, you've got a solid AI-generated script. But before you hit publish, we need to infuse it with your unique voice and style. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. First, cut the fluff. AI is notorious for overwriting. Use a prompt like, shorten this script by 20% while keeping all key points. Next, read the script out loud. Does it sound like you? If not, rewrite sections in your own voice, adding in your signature humor, personal anecdotes, and anything else that makes your content unique. Section 1. The human touch. Why editing matters. You've used AI to craft a killer YouTube script, you've got the hooks, the structure, the engagement tactics, so you're good to go, right? Not so fast. Here's the thing. Even the most advanced AI can't replicate the nuances of human creativity, humor, and storytelling. Think of AI as your talented but slightly robotic assistant. It can handle the heavy lifting, but it needs your guidance to create something truly special. Editing is where you inject your personality, your unique voice, and that intangible human element that makes viewers connect with you on a deeper level. Section 2, AI's Kryptonite 3 Editing Strategies to Elevate Your Script. So how do you transform a good AI-generated script into a masterpiece? Here are 3 strategies. 1. Cut the fluff. AI loves to over-explain. It's like that friend who tells a 10-minute story when a one-liner would suffice. Use your editing scalpel to trim the fat. Shorten sentences, eliminate redundancies, and get to the point faster. Remember, every word should move the story forward or add value for the viewer. 2. Infuse your voice. Read your script out loud. Does it sound like you, or does it sound like a robot reading a Wikipedia article? Your viewers subscribe to you for a reason. They connect with your personality, your humor, your unique way of seeing the world. Don't be afraid to rewrite sections in your own voice, adding slang, personal anecdotes, or even a touch of self-deprecating humor. 3. Test your hooks. Remember those killer hooks AI helped you craft? Don't just assume they're perfect. Say them out loud, record yourself saying them, and get feedback from trusted friends or fellow creators. The right hook should feel natural, irresistible, and make you want to click on your video. Section 3. From good to viral. The transformative power of editing. I've seen this firsthand countless times. A creator will come to me with an AI-generated script that's technically sound but lacks that spark. We'll spend an hour or 2 editing together, cutting, rewriting, injecting personality, and the transformation is remarkable. Suddenly the script goes from good to captivating. It's the difference between viewers clicking away after 30 seconds and hanging on your every word for the entire video. Remember, the algorithm rewards engagement. The longer viewers watch, the more they comment, the more they share, the more YouTube will push your content to new audiences. Section 4. Editing your secret weapon for YouTube domination. In the age of AI, it's tempting to think machines can do it all. But here's the truth. The human touch is more important than ever. Don't be afraid to embrace AI as your scriptwriting partner, but remember that you're the director of this show. By mastering the art of editing, you take AI's raw potential and mold it into something truly special, content that is not only informative and entertaining, but also deeply personal and engaging. That is the key to unlocking viral success on YouTube. AI in action. Creators crushing it with AI scripts. Seeing is believing, right? You might be surprised how many creators you watch are already leveraging AI to boost their script writing. Take name of creator in a related niche, for example. They went from struggling to break 10,000 views to consistently hitting over 1 million, all after incorporating AI into their workflow. And it's not just the big players. I've seen countless smaller channels use these same strategies to skyrocket their growth. One creator in this specific niche was on the verge of giving up. Their content was solid, but they couldn't crack the code of engagement. We worked together to implement the AI script writing techniques I've outlined, and within weeks, their views tripled, their comments exploded, and they finally felt like they were building a real community. Level up your AI game. Pro tips for script writing success. Ready to join the ranks of AI-powered YouTube stars? Here are a few extra tips to give you an edge. First, don't be afraid to experiment. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Play around with different AI tools, experiment with various prompts, and see what works best for your niche and style. Second, get feedback early and often. Share your AI-generated scripts with trusted friends, fellow creators, or even your audience. Fresh eyes can spot areas for improvement and help you refine your content before you hit publish. Third, embrace the iterative process. Don't expect to nail it on the first try. AI scriptwriting is an iterative process. You'll write, edit, refine, and repeat until you have a script that truly sings. And finally, don't forget the human touch. AI can help you craft compelling content, but it's your personality, your passion, and your connection with your audience that will ultimately make you a success. The future of YouTube belongs to creators who are willing to embrace new tools and strategies. By adding AI scriptwriting to your arsenal, you're not just working smarter, you're setting yourself up for long-term success in the ever-evolving world of online video. AI, your partner in YouTube domination. Remember that feeling of staring at a blank page, unsure of what to create next? Or the frustration of pouring your heart into a video, only to see it flop? Those days are over. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for creators like you. Think of AI as your secret weapon, your scriptwriting partner in crime. It takes the guesswork out of creating content that resonates with the algorithm and captivates your audience. No more wondering if your hooks are strong enough or if your pacing is on point. AI gives you the data-driven insights and tools to create videos that are practically engineered for success. Unlock your full potential. Embrace the AI revolution. This isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. AI handles the technical heavy lifting, freeing you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your viewers, sharing your unique perspective, and building a thriving community around your content. The YouTube landscape is more competitive than ever. The creators who thrive won't be the ones who cling to outdated methods, but those who embrace innovation and adapt to the changing tides. AI scriptwriting is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for staying ahead of the curve and unlocking your channel's full potential. Take action today. Experiment with the prompts and strategies we've discussed. Find the AI tools that feel intuitive for you. And most importantly, don't be afraid to unleash your creativity.